From grimy and neglected to pristine and polished, watch the transformation begin. Every detail meticulously restored, the final polish, a dramatic reveal.
Torque specs are good. Moving to the timing belt.
Roger that. I'll prep the turbo.
Belt tension is set. Check the oil lines. Oil lines are secure, ready for fuel. Final check.
All right, securing the turbo inlet. Torquing this down now. Clamping the pipe. Almost there.
Let's run through the field. Reach up and touch the sky. Is it really, really, really real?
Okay, let's get these headlights in. Got it. Bumpers ready. Align it with the fender. Fits perfect, bolting it. Good. Tighten the top.
Engine's clean, time for the wheels. Lug nuts torqued to spec. Perfect. She's ready for a test run.
Perfect shine. She's ready. A true icon, fully restored. All right, all torqued up. Let's fire her up.